We were very excited to be able to put this event on to help those people with epilepsy in the state of Indiana and increase their awareness and possibly bring some friends as well to help increase theirs. And it's a good way for everybody to network and to find the resources that are much needed.
How do you feel when you wake up after a seizure?
I get scared.
You get scared. What do? Do you lay down or do you?
Lay down.
You lay down. And does it take you a long time to feel better? I am the Speak Up, Speak Out representative for Indiana. It's a volunteer job. And the purpose of that spot is to help assist in getting legislative changes through the state legislature and even at the national level.
We have invited several different vendors to come out. Several are from last year. We also have a few new ones this year. We also have 3 speakers today. One of them is John Haskins. He's an attorney and he'll actually be speaking on employment law. And then we have someone here to talk about estate planning. And then we'll have someone just kind of sharing their personal story with how epilepsy has affected their life and how they've tried to cope with it.
I've had a service dog for about 2 years. His name is Oscar, and he has helped me at school with my grand mal seizures just by keeping me comfortable when I have a seizure, when I lay on the floor, and he leans up against me, he puts his head on my stomach, he puts his head on my legs.
It's a great day to get that word out, what we're trying to do, what we're fighting for, why we're fighting for it, and that we need them on board because our strength will come in numbers and the comfort for the families and children and individuals with seizures will come in knowing they're not alone. And that's what today is about.